If you thought you knew everything about Hillary Clinton,
It started out as an anti-Hillary Clinton documentary.
Who is Hillary Clinton?
It's now at the heart of a challenge to the nation's campaign finance laws.
Redefine herself and figure out who she is.
The Supreme Court is using the case to decide whether to overturn two precedents that limit the amount of corporate money in political campaigns. The documentary does not mince words in skewering Clinton.
Hillary is really the closest thing we have in America to a European socialist.
Documentary supporters say it is simply free speech and shouldn't be regulated by campaign finance laws. Lower courts have disagreed, and opponents warn against rescinding the ban.
Well, if the court were to declare the ban on corporate expenditures in campaigns unconstitutional, it would change the character of our elections, and it would dramatically change the ability of corporations to use enormous wealth to buy influence over government decisions.
This case is being watched very closely for a number of reasons. Not only could the High Court ruling shape election law for years to come, but this is the first case that Justice Sonia Sotomayor is hearing as a member of the High Court.
I, Sonia Sotomayor, do solemnly swear.
It's barely a month since Justice Sotomayor was sworn in, but that is seen as enough time to prepare.
So, she's been on the bench asking questions as an appeals court judge for a long time. I think she'll jump right in. The trick is, how do you jump in? Because it's such an active bench. Scalia asks a lot of questions. Roberts asks a lot of questions. Ginsburg, Breyer.
And while the appeals court she served on was known for posing rapid-fire questions to lawyers, Sotomayor will have to be very active to match Justice Alito's first case.
He asked 8 questions in the first argument. It was an environmental case. He jumped right in, wasn't shy about it.
On the receiving end of those questions from Sotomayor and the other justices will be some of the nation's most prominent lawyers, as well as a Solicitor General who is arguing her first case. Jerry Bodlander, The Associated Press, Washington.